Hi, I'm Larry Potterfield with Midway USA. When you're mounting a scope, really important to get the base screws and the ring screws torqued to the right amount of pressure. The best tool I've ever found to do that with, the Wheeler Engineering Fat Wrench, Firearms Accuracy Tool. So which screws are important for accuracy? Well, the base screws are important, the ring screws are important, and also the guard screws are important. And we're going to tighten these base screws. I'm set on 20 pounds now. This is adjustable. So I'm going to set it on 30 inch-pounds, and then I'm going to tighten down these 4 screws to 30 inch-pounds of torque, just till it clicks. And now I know I've got them tightened to factory specifications, and that means that I have a lot of confidence that's going to stay just exactly the way it is. I'm Larry Potterfield with Midway USA. That's the way it is.